How to reactivate Messenger account? Follow these steps. Initially open the Messenger app and ensure you are logged in with your credentials. On the Messenger home screen, tap the three lines icon in the top left corner to access the menu. Click on the settings at the top of the screen. Scroll down to the bottom and select the account center. In the account center, tap on the personal detail to access your account controls. Furthermore, select the account ownership and control to view option for managing your account. Lastly, tap on the reactivation. Now select the account you want to reactivate and choose the reactivate button at the bottom. If asked, enter your account password for verification. After entering your password, hit continue to reactivate your Messenger account. You will receive a confirmation message that your account is now active. Now try reactivating your account through the Facebook app. Launch the Facebook app on your device. Enter your Facebook login credentials and hit the login button. Once logged into Facebook, your Messenger account will be reactivated automatically. All set, your Messenger account is now fully reactivated.